Come on, Louis. Come on, good boy. Come on, baby. Come on. He doesn't want to come out because you're sitting there. Good boy, come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on, quick. Meow. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy, come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy, come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on in. Oh, it's warm in there. I can feel the warmth coming out of the cat flap. Come on, you're going to come out? Let's go and have some lunch. Come on. Let's put the garage door up and see if we can get him to come that way. Don't chase him. Louis, come on. Hey, Louis, come on. This way. You're too in his face, baby. You're far too much in his face. He's only just woken up, haven't you, big boy? Just woken up from a big nap. The weather is awful. Come on, let's go and have some lunch. Eloise, let's go and get some lunch. Come on. Louis, don't settle down again. Let's go inside. Hey. Got a lot of snow on the lens of the camera, but this is what's going to have to be done. Eloise is very jealous that I'm carrying him. Come on, baby, let's go. You going to get down and run? Come on in. Let's go. Come on, baby, up here. Quick, 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 Louis. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, Eloise. Come on, Louis. Quick, it's horrible out here. Good boy.